Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for pro audio breakdowns, outdoor speaker teardowns, mobile audio guides, and rugged gear reviews. Today, we are putting a highly anticipated ultra-portable outdoor speaker under the spotlight, a compact, ruggedized Bluetooth unit engineered specifically for off-roaders, boaters, campers, beachgoers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand extreme durability, magnetic mounting versatility, and uncompromised volume in a lightweight footprint. The Turtlebox Ranger ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker in safety orange. When headlining outdoor adventures, standard portable Bluetooth speakers often lack the sheer acoustic punch needed to cut through wind, engine noise, and open-air ambient environments. The Turtlebox Ranger solves this problem by packing an impressive maximum output of 105 decibels into a frame weighing just 2.4 pounds. Built inside a tough, impact-resistant shell finished in high-visibility safety orange, this speaker is built to handle drop impacts, trail vibrations, and rough handling on overland rigs or fishing boats. Protection against harsh outdoor elements is a top priority for the Ranger. Featuring an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, this speaker is completely sealed against dirt, sand, and dust intrusion, and can even survive total water submersion without skipping a beat. To make positioning on outdoor gear effortless, the Ranger incorporates high-strength magnetic mounts directly into its housing, allowing you to snap the speaker securely onto truck beds, UTV roll cages, tractors, boat consoles, or metallic gear racks without needing extra straps or brackets. Power efficiency and battery endurance are engineered for full-day excursions. Driven by an efficient digital Class D amplifier module, the internal rechargeable battery system delivers over 12 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. Whether you are running a day-long tailgate or spending a weekend off the grid, the Ranger provides uninterrupted music coverage without requiring constant recharging. For users wanting an expanded soundstage, the Turtlebox Ranger features multi-unit wireless linking technology. You can pair two Rangers together for true left-right stereo separation or link an unlimited number of units together to cover massive outdoor campsites and beach gatherings in synchronized audio. Complete with responsive top panel controls and a built-in lanyard anchor point, the Ranger is the ultimate compact outdoor audio companion. If you enjoyed this ultra-portable outdoor speaker breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Are you mounting the Turtlebox Ranger on your UTV, boat, or camping rig?